So let's talk about the first problem that we're hoping to solve today, the challenge of inefficient lead distribution. Perhaps you already have a solution in place that assigns leads in a simple round robin, but without taking into consideration the skills or other attributes of your reps. This can result in the lead landing with someone who isn't best placed to convert the lead. This probably isn't the best setup and will inevitably lead to inefficiencies and the lead needing to be reassigned, or the rep spending time working a lead that is just not the best fit for them. As we see on the left side of my slide, only Jill is qualified to look after hot leads, the purple ones with the exclamation point, but somehow these leads are being distributed to others in the team. Ideally, the routing solution would be intelligent enough to take different attributes into account and send the lead to the right rep. It would be ideal if we could build up a profile of our reps by assigning attributes to them, which can then be used to influence lead assignment. For example, your hot leads should only go to the best performers in the team. As we see on the right, my hot leads have been distributed to Jill, who is the only user in the team qualified to look after them. Well, you can achieve this by using the static tagging feature. So let me hand it over to Faisal, who can walk us through on how to do this in DE.
Thank you, Toms. So by leveraging the power of DE static tags and filtering, we're able to fine-tune our approach to lead distribution. So let's take a look at how we can take advantage of this in the application.
So let's head into a team. So my East Coast SDR team here, and then I'll click into my hot leads distributor. So this distributor is distributing hot leads. So what I've done is I've set up a field-based filter, which is looking at a field called rating on the lead. And if rating equals hot, only those hot leads will be distributed via this distributor. But in addition to that, I also want to make sure that those hot leads are only distributed to my senior or high performing reps. So how do I do this? Now here at the bottom of the page, we have the team member filter, and you have the option of selecting by tags. So I'll click onto that and I'll leave it at the default static. So when we use the static tag filters, we're saying that we already know the tags that we want to use to determine assignment. So since this distributor is distributing leads that are hot or of high quality, I want to make sure that only my senior and high performing sales reps are receiving those leads. So all I need to do here is to select the tag collection. So I've called it seniority, which includes senior and high performing reps. So once you're done, click save, and only those team members with senior or high performer tags assigned to them will receive leads assigned by this distributor. Now, for everything else, we could create a second distributor, which will then route those records to less experienced users. So here I'm leaving my field-based filter blank, but what I will do again here at the bottom is to select by tags, but this time select my less experienced reps. So junior and mid-level. So to sum up, static tags can be used as filters on distributors to define which team members are eligible to receive assignments through that distributor. They ensure specific team members receive specific types of assignments based on the tags that they hold.
So now with the use of static tags and filtering, we allow for a more refined distribution of leads based on the specific attributes and skills of team members. And this can result in more efficient lead distribution, happier reps, and potentially higher conversion rates.